Hi, today I'm going to show you how to search for a book using Destiny Discover. From the link here on the newsletter or from the library's webpage, click on Destiny Discover. Once you get here, the first thing you need to do is log in. I am going to log in, and it's the same way you would log into Aspen. Once you are logged in, you'll know you're logged in because it says welcome back and your name. Under My Stuff, you can see everything you have checked out, which is really handy because then you can see what you have and when it is due. I keep my book there just for purposes of it being overdue, and you can see when it's overdue, it is in red. You could see anything you have on holds, what you add as a favorite, and fines, which there will never be a fine. So going back home, you can either browse books. Up here is a tray. They call it a carousel. That is new or anything to try. Recently added books, and quickly you can tell whether the book is out or in. If the book is out and it's something that you think you'd like to read, click on it and you can just add a hold. So I had put that on hold and now I took it off. You could browse by different topics. So if you know you like fantasy or mystery, you can just click there and it'll show you some books in those genres. Again, you can see whether the book is in or it's out. To add as a favorite, you can click here and add as a favorite, and you'll have a list there that shows your favorites. You can also create a list of books you'd like to read next, and that would be a collection. And just go in there and you can make a private collection. It'll say public, private, and you can add a public collection. So that's just a little quick tour on how to search for books and put them on hold.